Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove Roblox pin if you forgot it. So just open your Roblox here and let's go to home page here. And here you have to go to the more icon here in the bottom right side corner. Then here you will get this option of setting, and here in the setting you will get this option of account info, and here let it load. Now if you have forgot your pin here, by the way this is a pin which is try out a password, add a passkey, right? So here if I just go and click on add a passkey, please continue. Now just to show you guys that how you can remove this Roblox pin if you forgot it. Now here it will ask you to log in, so just go and click on forgot password or username here. Now it will ask your username, so you can just paste your username here, so I will just write it and then click on submit. Right now here they will send you instruction to your email, so you have to just go to your email section here. Now refresh it out, and here as you can see here they have sent me. Now just go and click on reset password. You will be redirected to a new page here. Now create a new password, and while you're creating a new password you will able to remove the pin, right? So this is how you can reset account pin if you forgot it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.